Once upon a time, in a crowded train station filled with rushing footsteps and echoing announcements, a teenage boy named Rayhan slept beneath metal benches where the cold bit harder than hunger. Wrapped in a thin, torn blanket, he survived on leftover scraps and kindness from vendors who sometimes handed him stale bread. His stomach ached, his bones felt heavy, yet his eyes held a spark, a fierce, stubborn hope that life could not beat out of him. Every morning before the city woke fully, he washed his face in the station sink, tied his worn shoes tighter, and whispered to himself, "One day, I will not sleep here again." With trembling hands, he collected empty bottles to sell, then rushed to a nearby tea stall to beg for work. He became a dishwasher, hands always smelling like soap, water freezing in winter. But every plate he scrubbed carried a promise. This is only temporary. At night, when the station lights dimmed and crowds disappeared, Rayhan's second life began. Travelers sometimes forgot books on the benches, and unlike others who sold them, he opened them. Business books, motivational books, cookbooks. He devoured them all, page by page, under the dull platform lights, his stomach empty but his mind rising full. He practiced recipes in his imagination because he had no kitchen to try them. He studied food business case studies while rats squeaked nearby. And slowly, he saved coins, washing dishes, carrying luggage, wiping tables. One night, while the world slept, he looked at his meager savings and felt something stronger than hunger: readiness. He bought a small cart, borrowed utensils, and wheeled his kitchen to the same station where he once begged. The first meal he served, hot spiced rice cooked on a street burner, sold with a smile brighter than the morning trains. Travelers tasted it, paused, and then returned. Word spread. With each plate, he wasn't just feeding bodies. He was feeding his destiny. Years passed like passing trains, unstoppable. Rayhan reinvested every rupee, expanded to one cart, then three, then a small platform stall. The boy, once invisible beneath benches, became known as Station Chef. His flavors traveled faster than trains as he perfected recipes from every book he read in those cold nights. Then came investors, media, and opportunities. His stalls spread beyond stations to streets, malls, airports, cities across the nation, then across oceans. One day, he stood inside the headquarters of his global food chain, a glass tower that glittered like the future he once dreamed under dark railway lamps. He visited the same train station again, not to sleep, but to build free food counters for the homeless, saying softly to the cold bench that once held him, "Thank you for raising a fighter." Cameras clicked, crowds cheered, but Rayhan didn't care. He only smiled quietly, a tear in his eye, knowing the truth. Hunger may start at the stomach, but real hunger lives in the heart, and his heart never stopped starving for a better tomorrow. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of motivational videos.